Hello awesome, welcome back to my channel. How are you people doing today? This is Bonita the King Fashion and Style TV, and this is my food segment. Yes, I will be preparing to you guys today how to cook bitter leaf soup from the scratch. I will show you guys, I will illustrate everything to you guys, how to start it, how to wash it, and how to cook abroad bitter leaf soup. You will enjoy this my pattern. Sit back and enjoy it. I love you guys. Please don't forget to subscribe if you have not yet subscribed. Turn the notification bell to be notified as I post a new video. Drop your comment under the comment section below. Just sit down and enjoy this video. I'm going to start it from the scratch. Yes guys, I've already plucked my bitter leaf. Look at it, look at the way it looks. Here in Brazil, they don't know what it is. They only see it as plants or flower. But if you want to use it, you have to beg them to pluck, okay? Right now, after spreading my bitter leaf on the sun for some time, this is how it looks. Now it is time to wash off the bitterness. There was no sunshine for 2 days now, so I have to use this way. I have to spread it in the house for 2 days. As you can see, my bitter leaf is getting ready. It's almost done. This is it. It's almost done. Even just a little wash more. You need to taste the bitter leaf to know if it is still bitter. If it is still bitter, I have to wash it more, because if you add it that way, it will spoil the whole taste of the soup. It will be very bitter. It's okay. Now you need to wash it more. Bitter leaf is the last thing I'm going to cook. This is the type of crayfish that I use. I have to dry it, blend it, and keep for use. Anytime I want to use it, it's very easier for me. Okay, because where I live, they do not allow us to bring in seafood, so they need to seize it at the airport. So that's why I prefer using this. When I dry it and blend, keep for use. There was no sunshine to dry it these days. That's why I had to use my oven to dry it, okay? Yes guys, these are my ingredients for bitter leaf soup. I have my cocoyam, red oil. This is the crayfish, the one I showed you before. I've already grinded it. This is the outcome. I have my fish, tilapia fish. They said, according to research, that is less mercury. I have my chicken. I have red meat and turkey. This is my bitter leaf, but I'm not going to use all. I'm going to divide it into two. It's my seasoning cubes, salt to taste. Okay, let's get started. Right now, I'm about cooking my cocoyam. Now the cocoyam is done. I had to peel it and blend it with my blender. So quick. Right now, this is my meat, the whole meat here. I have to add my chicken seasoning. Use that as an alternative, okay? So what I got, add my crayfish. I add salt to taste. Now, this is how I cook my own. This is the blended cocoyam. I have to add a quantity that will be enough, that will be okay for the soup. I think this is okay. Add more water. This will be very big. Add my red oil. This is how I prepare my own. If you have smoked fish, this is the actual time to add it to. Wash it thoroughly and add it, because we do not have access to bring in seafood into this country, Brazil. That is why I use tilapia, but I'm not going to add it now. This is fresh one, so I will add it later after the food is almost done. That is when I will add it, at least to get some part of it, because if I add it now, everything will just be okay. So what next? I think this cocoyam will be okay for the soup. It's time to cook. However, before I forget, I would quickly like to say something about the smelly ogiri and fish. How we managed to get fish here, okay? However, it's not that you cannot get stockfish or dry fish here, but if you manage to get it from our people here, it will be on a very high side. Therefore, I do not use it often. Some people might be lucky today to bring in those seafood. Tomorrow they might not be that lucky. They might seize it. That's why I do not disturb myself anymore since I found out this recipe. Actually, after using all these ingredients, I never noticed the absence of ogiri in this soup. This soup gave me the exact taste of bitter leaf, real Nigeria bitter leaf soup. Just try and see. Literally, ogiri is one of the top ingredients used to prepare Nigeria bitter leaf soup. A smelly ingredient that is used to prepare bitter leaf soup. I'm making this video for some of you guys that lives in some countries like mine that are facing the same problem. Frankly speaking, when I tried this recipe for the very first time, I never believed it was going to give me the real taste of bitter leaf soup. Even my husband confirmed it. He said this soup reminded me of real Nigeria bitter leaf soup. Just try and see. Now it's time to add my bitter leaf. As you can see, the soup is almost done. As you can see, my bitter leaf soup, onugbu soup, is set. Wow, this is super yummy, yummy, yummy. Wow, wow, wow. Okay, let me test the soup. Additional salt is required. Okay. Try this soup. Oh, this is so delicious. Oh, my brown bitter leaf soup, it's done. Okay. Please guys, if you love this video, please give it a thumbs up, drop your comment under the comment section below, and don't forget to subscribe. I love you guys. God bless you. Ciao.